Iron vehicle looks like the logo of the British automobile company Jaguar. And the technical characteristics of this motorcycle are just as great as its design. The model is equipped with a 1.2-litre V-twin engine, which allows the Moto Jaguar to develop an impressive speed, reaching a speed of 120 miles per hour without problem. The creator of this unusual model specifically picked up a power system that makes a sound similar to the growling of a Jaguar. It's noteworthy that the motorcycle is equipped with wheels from a Japanese sport bike. Moreover, the seat was made from scratch and it looks like that of a chopper. There's only one model of this iron beast in the world, for now. Truck trike. If you think choppers aren't brutal enough, then this motorcycle was created specially for you. It combines the details of a motorbike with the design of a truck, including some massive metal pipes and a driver's cab. It's worth noting that this motorcycle can carry more than one passenger. Behind the driver there is a comfortable seat for 2 people. King Skull motorcycle. The classic Harley-Davidson FLHT CUI, decorated with metal details made by hand, really makes an unforgettable impression. It doesn't matter where exactly you saw this bike first, on the street at night or at an exhibition. Particularly noteworthy is the design of the rear lights of the motorcycle, made in the form of a silvery skull, as well as the sharp ends of the handlebar and the skull-like fragments of the body. Dragonfire bike. The main feature of this motorcycle is the massive dragon head behind the driver, which works as a comfortable seat. The fuel enters the head through a special entry, allowing the motorcycle to literally breathe fire when pressing a certain lever. In addition, the inventor installed 2 operating machine guns over the handlebar. Sci-fi bike. Some people believe that old cars and motorcycles aren't suitable for anything except becoming scrap metal or being sent for remelting. But there are enthusiasts who give them a new life. Someone restores them to their former grandeur, and some use different details to create something new. Thai artist and designer Rune Grojner Sangwon Prasan did that and created a sci-fi bike using scrap metal. It looks very similar to the main character of the Alien films. He's a specialist in creating a variety of things using old pieces of junk or broken things.